Hello, I'm going to show you how to install Unlinked APK on Firestick and Android TV. So first of all, make sure to enable apps from unknown sources. Use the download the app or a file manager. Step 1 is to enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, enable ADB debugging, apps from unknown sources. On Android TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions. Enable unknown sources for your browser or file manager. Step 2 is install download the app. On the Firestick home screen, go to the search icon, search for downloader, install it and open the app. Android TV, go to Play Store, search and install downloader by AFTV News. Step 3 is to download the Unlinked APK. Open the download app, enter the following URL, https://unlinked.link/latest. Press go. It will redirect to the latest APK version. Download should begin automatically. Step 4 is to install Unlinked. Once the APK is downloaded, press install. After installation, click open to launch Unlinked. You can now enter store codes and install other APKs. Step 5 is optional, but you can add shortcut to home. On Firestick or Android TV, go to Apps menu, find Unlinked, press the menu or OK button, select Move to Front or Add to Favorites. And that's it. Now you can enter a code like 1234567 8 and browse and install apps directly inside Unlinked.